Hello everybody, today we will be talking about Mcfarlan's Strategic IT Grid. The Strategic IT Grid is a tool that is used to assess current operational dependence on information systems versus the future potential strategic impact of informational systems. Now, a few reasons why any organization should have an IT strategy in place includes the high costs involving IT. IT is critical to the success of many organizations. It is used as part of the commercial strategy and can be used to gain a competitive advantage. It is required by the economic context. IT affects all levels of management. IT can revolutionize the way information is created and presented to management. It involves many stakeholders within and outside the organization. Detailed technical issues in IT are important. IT requires effective management. Mcfarlan's Strategic IT Grid is used to analyze the impact of information systems as a whole for an organization or for a department of an organization. It can also be used to analyze the dependence and impact of individual IT application of systems. The Strategic Grid compares the present operational dependence on information systems versus the potential impact of information systems. The strategic grid is a two-dimensional graph. The horizontal or x-axis measures how IT affects the organization's strategy. The vertical or y-axis gauges the impact of IT on operations. The combination of these two views in the matrix results in four possible combinations: support, turnaround, factory, and strategic. Systems that fall into the support quadrant have little relevance and simply support some processes, therefore requires little IT planning in terms of senior management involvement. Examples of processes in the support quadrant may be payroll, employee management systems, insurance processing systems. Systems that fall into the turnaround quadrant currently have a low strategic importance, but will become key to the future of strategic planning. Systems in this quadrant should look to establish top-level management. Examples of applications in the turnaround quadrant include expert systems and hospital information systems. Systems that fall into the factory quadrant are important to the day-to-day operations, but have no major developments that will alter the nature of the business in the future. Levels of management will decrease. Examples of processes in the factory quadrant include human resources, enterprise resource planning systems, customer relationship management, inventory systems, and accounting. Systems that fall into the strategic quadrant play a critical role in the formulation of the overall business strategy and may require a high level of involvement from top management. Examples include management portals and client databases. Proper use and understanding of the strategic IT grid may result in improved efficiency of workplace managers and facilities. By communicating to senior management the business relationships between the central service function and strategic business units, you improve the senior management support. By developing more productive business relations, the central service function and strategic business unit, you create powerful functional and business unit relationships. Using the IT grid effectively can result in considerable cost advantages. Those applications that fall into support and factory quadrants are ideal candidates to consider to be outsourced or moved to the cloud. Identifying processes that fall into the turnaround quadrant could lead to innovation and be used to gain a competitive advantage. Some concerns of the IT grid include that it doesn't take into account the external stakeholders of the organization. It doesn't show you how you should implement IT into the organization. Also, the lack of knowledge of the CEO levels about the role of IT. Misplotting in the grid could lead to severe problems in the future. One company that used the grid to its advantage is Walmart. Walmart implements RFID system. This process falls into the strategic quadrant. RFID system is also known as radio frequency identification. It is used by Walmart and designed to enable the retailer to track individual apparel items from the time they are received at the distribution center until customers pick items off the shelves. The system is designed to increase sales. It also allows for employees to spend less time checking shelves and spend more time assisting customers and performing other tasks. As the system expands, it is likely that there will be some reduction in workforce in warehouses and distribution centers. At the same time, there will be an increase in IT jobs that involve creating, installing, and maintaining the systems. Implementing the RFID system, Walmart became a global powerhouse while other companies faded. In conclusion, in today's economy, IT can add value to any type of organization, though it significantly depends on the alignment between the IT strategy and a corporate strategy. Using the Mcfarlan's IT grid can aid in pointing the business in the right direction.